Hi everyone. Today I'm gonna explain you about configuring DDM for HiveCLI database. And so from the DDM 981 version, there's a new feature to add or to connect HiveCLI database. And this function uses a native connectivity. That means like JDBC URL to connect to the HiveCLI, and so the connection type or the services which we have to configure in DDM is specific to the DDM Hive service. So in this demo, I'll be showing you the configuration to be done for connecting to HiveCLI from DDM. So basically, while configuring the DDM Hive server, we need to provide or we need to keep information regarding the jar files to be used to connect to the HiveCLI, and because while configuring the connection details, we need to provide the complete path of these jar files which is being used for establishing a connection. So let me show you the configuration. So this is a DDM workbench, and so before configuring the Hive connection, so we need to create a Hive service first. So this is the DDM domain. When you right click on this, you can see add DDM services. Here it will show you the DDM for Hive, as I already created a DDM Hive service, so it's grayed out. So you just select DDM for Hive and then say OK, and then there will be a service with the default port 1001 to it. So once you create a service, we need to connect to the create a Hive database connection details here. So this is the database which I have created. So as you know, while creating, you can just add the database information here in the domain. You can add the database and then opt for Hive database here and provide the details, respective details to connect to the HiveCLI database. So the major thing is like server address and the port and the default database name, and this is the class path. So here the class path, we need to provide the required jar files to establish a connection to the HiveCLI. So the class path needs the jar files, which I'll be showing you the required jar files to be placed, and or you can place it anywhere, and you just need to provide the path of the jar file space. So let me show you the jar files being used for. So I have placed all the required Hive jar files in this location, and so here are a few jar files which is being used for establishing connection from DDM. So out of these main jar files to be needed is Hive metastore and Hive common jar files. So once you place all these jar files here, then we can configure the details in the DDM with respective path, and we can then do the test connection to see whether if the connection goes fine or not. So here you can see that I have provided the DDM database name and the server address and the port, and then there is a class path which I have provided where my jar files are present, and this is the username and password which I have given. So let's do the test connection and see how it goes. So when I do the test connection, it gave a validated. So this is how it has to be configured in DDM. So when the Hive connection has been configured in DDM, you can use any client to connect to the HiveCLI and get the details to run a query for masking output. And or else you can use a rule simulator in DDM to just check for the security rules that which has been created. Good. Yes. So these are just a few configuration steps which has to be taken care while configuring to HiveCLI from DDM. So we have covered these steps in this video. For further details, you can refer DDM administration guide. Thank you for watching this video. I would love to hear feedback on this video. Please provide your feedback by sending us a mail or supportvideos@informatica.com, or you can tweet to our Twitter account, InfoSupport.